So today we will talk about the problem of solving the number of parentheses that are valid using recursion. So we will generate the number of valid parentheses with the help of recursion. So what are valid parentheses? Valid parentheses are the number of opening braces is greater than equal to number of closing braces at any given point of time, and the number of opening braces equal to the number of closing braces when we pass the whole parenthesis. So for that we need to define a function for recursion. Now we name that parengine, which will generate all the parentheses, and we define a static character array which will store the number of valid parentheses, and we will define the condition, which is if the open parenthesis number is greater than the closed parenthesis, then what we will do, we will increment the position and send the number of parenthesis generator and open parenthesis, and we will increment the closing parenthesis by 1, and if it is less than n, then we will increment the opening parenthesis by 1, and that's all for the parenthesis generator function. So what we will do is we will take a number n and we will generate all the valid combination of parentheses. So let's see this, how it has been done. So c++ minus o, yep, okay, some errors are there. It will be OP, so naming syntax error. So for 4 it is this, for 5 so this is. So thanks for watching.